What's up, YouTube? Super T-Buff Fan 15 here. Just got back from Walmart. Saw they had the new 2011 Prestige. So I bought a fat pack, $5. It's actually pretty good for $5. Got a sack of base and, more Stoudemire, Knicks, but actually had 3 pretty good cards in it. Got a LeBron James in the Heat uniform. That's pretty good. Also got John Wall rookie, #1 pick. And then I got they're calling it, I don't know, bonus shots. Wesley Johnson numbered rookie out of 499. And I actually got to see this guy. I got to see Evan Turner, a couple other people. The All-American team, John Wall wasn't there, but pretty much the starting All-American team was at the bracket time during Final Four week earlier this year, and I got to see them play, so that's pretty cool. But if you want any of this stuff, just let me know, guys. Thanks, see ya.